This is deliberate, cold, and calculated. You are shameless hypocrites. Finally, with the title of this debate, this chamber is officially acknowledging what some of us have been shouting for years. What's happening in Gaza is genocide. To those of you still refusing to see it and still hiding behind courts or legal formalities, you are not only complicit, you are shameless hypocrites. You are dismantling the very legal principles you so proudly aim or claim to uphold. You let the screams from Gaza be drowned out by Israeli attacks on Iran. What a coincidence, right? Just when the pressure on Netanyahu is mounting. And then the audacity, some of you still dare say Israel has a right to self-defense in that context. In what context? The Israeli army is shooting at people lining up for food. These aren't stray bullets in the fog of war. This is deliberate, cold, and calculated. They've turned the little humanitarian aid into a big, deadly weapon. Stop being complicit, impose sanctions on Israel. If not, you are still greenlighting the genocide, because when only one side has an army, military equipment and weapons, it's not a war, it is a massacre.